So hello everyone and welcome back to the another video of Adobe Photoshop series. So today in this video we learn how we can make a business card or visiting card in Adobe Photoshop. So what you need to do, we will complete all of things in this tutorial, so be patient and continue with me. So first go in your pen tool and from here choose the color. I'm gonna choose the black color from here and click here and over here. Okay, and go in pen tool to change the color. I'm gonna add from here the pink color and over here choose here and here. Okay, and again choose pen tool and change the color. Okay, I'm gonna add now this. Okay, good, here and you can also add here. Okay, this is not good. Control J back and here, and I'm gonna add here. Okay, now this is looking good. Okay, so now I want to add some tags here, so simply go in horizontal tags and drag here and delete, and simply you can write some name your company and business here. Okay, click here and you can also make size bigger and smaller. If you want to make size smaller for your own, so simply double click over here. Make sure you have the option move to right now, and now simply double click over here and you can change the size from here. I'm gonna add 24. Now this is good, and you can also make it fixed from here. Click over here and set the position. Now I'm gonna add horizontal tab. I want to add some another text here. Delete by delete key, and here I'm gonna add. First, I want to change the size of my text. So here I'm gonna add types of your soldier. Okay, and now you can reduce the size, so make it bigger, reduce. You can also change the color, choose it, go here. I want to add this and I want to add the white color. Okay, good, click OK, and from here go here and make it smaller. Okay, set here. Now this is good enough, better, and from here I'm gonna show you if I want to add a QR code here. So what we can do, so simply Control O and go in your files. I'm gonna choose my QR code from here, and you can just wait and simply drag it, click over here and choose it, put here, left it, and simply set the position here. I'm gonna set okay. Now this is good. Go in your rectangular okay. Now you can go in your rectangular tool from here. Simply make some rectangular here. I'm gonna add. Okay, good. And if you don't have these options, don't worry, I will show you another method. Remove from here, and if you want to delete the black stroke from here, simply go in the stroke and make sure no color. Now this is good, delete it, and now simply go here, right click, duplicate layer, change the name. I want to give 2, and simply go here and make it You can also use shortcut for making the file duplicate. Control Z, good. Control Z and good. You can also set it from here. I'm gonna make better. I'm gonna select. So now this is have this 33 pixel. The old files have 33 pixel gap. Right now, okay, 33 pixel all files have gap. So now this is good. I'm gonna eat the red rectangular hidden by this black section. So for it, simply select the rectangular copy, that are the rectangular copy, and we are going to add the rectangular copy. If you don't lock the background, you can also lock the background. And I gonna select my rectangular copy between the layer and the safe one. So simply go here, choose it and it, and simply drag from here and 8 between the layer 1 and shape 2. So you can, oh, I added where, so I think we need to add here. So now this is good. No, this is not good. We need to add here layer 1 and shape 2 between layer 2 and, okay, no. Okay, here what is happening here, man? Yeah, we need to add here. Okay, now this is good, looking good. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some mobile, Gmail, website link addresses here. So we need to some images. Press Ctrl O, open your images folder, select Ctrl C, select, opening your Photoshops, and from here we are going to add the many Gmail website location in your face. Okay, here. So for it, simply go here and choose it and drag it and choose it, click here, drag from here and put here simply, and make sure size is small and just add here. Okay, good. Okay, and you can also change the color of this icon from here. Simply go here and choose it, double click here, and you will get the option color overlay. Go here, and from here you can choose the color white. Okay, now this is good. You can see you can choose the color white. Okay, white, this is good. Okay, make it okay. Okay, now, and after adding the all of things, I will come back. We need to make a horizontal line here, and we are going to write here your name. You can also make the size small from here and increase the size, change the position also, and you can also change the font size. Okay, click here, and here you have the many font size. You can also change from here if you want to change. Okay, and now I'm gonna add a, now this is good, and now I want to add a line here. So simply come here and choose line tool, and from here add a line. Okay, good. And you can also change the color of line from here. I want to add white bird. Okay, cut here now, and simply double click over here and give stroke, give outside. Okay, choose outside, this is good, and choose 5 pixels. Yes, change the color. I'm gonna add Okay, and click here, choose and add your domain, and here you can add your domain here, delete and your domain. Okay, make it smaller and simply go here and set here. Okay, make size small. Good, now this is good. Okay, and now we need to add other taxes here. Simply go here and you will add the number here, and okay, this is good. And now I want to add the other thing here, the horizontal type tool. Come here and add, set it here and go here, click, choose again horizontal tool and add here your Gmail, delete, and you can also write your domain. Domain to true at the right gmail.com, make it bigger, gmail.com. So click here and make size smaller. So for it you can make size smaller, and this is going to make size smaller. So come here and here and go in over here, and I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, now this is good. Okay, click here and make it bigger, something bigger, so we can increase the size from here. Now good. Okay, this is good, and we can also reduce the size of this. Okay, and you can also add good, and I'm gonna add the other. Simply go into your tags, horizontal type tool, and again I'm gonna write here the my address, suppose 114 black road, and this is my address. Okay, and I'm gonna add here something Delhi. Okay, good, and you can also make this. Okay, good, and click over and good. And now I'm gonna add my website link here. Simply go here and you can add, delete, and your domain.com, make it bigger. This is good. And from here make size small, click here, and now this is good, and set the position. We have been made bad, and now this is looking good. And now we are going to make back of this page. So for it, create, and here choose the pen tool from here and choose color black. I already change the color. I wanna add pink color and click here, and here. Okay, and simply I'm gonna create another one, pen tool, color black. Okay, and click here or here, and here. Okay, this is good here. And now I'm gonna add some text here. So for adding the text, simply go in horizontal tool, and here first remove it. What is the problem? Remove it, and simply go in the horizontal tool and simply choose horizontal. Okay, horizontal tool from here. Okay, and here add some text. I'm gonna add, you can add your business name you mentions on the front of this page. Okay, you can add something. Okay, it's not difficult, you can add. And from here, and also you can increase the size, something like this, and add here. And I want to add the another text here. Simply go here and drag it. You can change the color of your text flow. So I'm gonna add blue color here, delete, and this is not working. So go back and change the color. I'm gonna add blue. Okay, now this is working. Okay, types of your channel. Okay, good. And you can click here and reduce the size. Okay, I'm gonna add, this is perfect. Set the position. This is good. So now congratulations, you completed your business card now. So this is looking good. This is the back page of your business card, and this is the front page of your business card. If you want to cut this page, you can also cut from the bottom if you are interested, but I think it's good. Okay, so if you found the information from this video, you can also like the video and subscribe the channel. If you are new in this channel, you can also subscribe the channel, because I made this type of videos. So I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.